Before you spend a ton of money on a new mattress, maybe you should consider a mattress topper instead. So when do you really need a mattress topper? If you feel like your mattress is too hard, you can add a soft topper to cushion the mattress. Second, if you feel like your mattress is sinking in, you can add a supportive topper to make it firm. And third, if you feel like your mattress makes you feel hot, you can add a topper to help you with the cooling. But it is not a universal solution for all of your mattress problems. If your mattress is old, or it is saggy, or it is definitely wrong for your sleeping patterns, a mattress topper will not fix your problems. So before we start, this video is kindly sponsored by Sleepycat, who sent me the mattress topper to help demonstrate the need for mattress toppers better. But like always, opinions and experiences are my own. Now that we understand the need for a mattress topper, let's understand the right type for you. First, if you feel like your mattress is too hard, then you need a softer topper like one with a microfiber fill for better sleep. Sleepycat has a 2-inch microfiber fill mattress topper that is made of ultra soft cotton fabric. So if you like hotel-like comfort, this mattress topper gives you a soft and plush feeling. Since the filling is cotton, it also helps for better airflow to help reduce heat and to improve cooling. A key problem with microfiber is that it gets lumps or clumps over time. So you need to look for a design like this quilted design that helps to evenly spread the filling and to minimize movement of the filling. Since the mattress topper is placed on top of the mattress, it can move. So you need to make sure that the topper has elastic straps that help to secure it in place without shifting, which this Sleepycat mattress topper has as well. If you feel like your mattress is sinking in, then you need a supportive topper made of materials like memory foam to improve your sleep quality. Sleepycat has a memory foam mattress topper that adds comfort to your existing mattress. This comes in 1-inch or 2-inch variants, so you can choose based on how much comfort you are looking to add, as well as your budget. The 1-inch topper is more affordable, so it is ideal for those who are on a budget, like college students. Given its nature, memory foam provides pressure relief and eases discomfort by adapting to the shape of your body as required. Similar to the microfiber mattress toppers, this memory foam topper also has elastic straps to secure the topper in place without shifting while we sleep. A removable and washable cover also means that you can maintain this topper for a really long time. A memory foam mattress topper is ideal to extend the life of your old mattress. But remember, it does not work if your old mattress is saggy or just wrong for you based on your sleep patterns. Lastly, if you feel like your mattress makes you feel hot, then you need either a cotton fill mattress topper like the one we spoke about earlier, or a latex mattress topper, or a latex mattress. Now don't get confused between a mattress protector and a mattress topper. Like we discussed, a mattress topper is designed to improve your sleep quality, whereas a mattress protector is designed to extend the life of your mattress or your mattress topper by protecting it from dust, sweat, bugs, and so on. So, in summary, mattress toppers aren't magic. They cannot convert a terrible mattress into a great one. But if your mattress is decent, but you have specific issues like it's too firm or too hot or too soft, a mattress topper can help improve your sleep quality for a fraction of the cost of buying a new mattress. And if you do decide to buy one, make sure to match the size with the size of your mattress. Now, if you're convinced to buy a mattress topper from Sleepycat, use my code that you see on the screen to get 500 off on your next Sleepycat purchase on their website. If you found this video useful, share this video and subscribe to become part of the 1.6 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.